Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the privacy password in this device. So here in this device I already set one privacy password. Now I will show you how to change this one. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on security and privacy, then again scroll down. So here is the option of space for the privacy password. So before the app lock or hide apps or private safe, we need to set a privacy password. Okay, so here I am going to show you how to change the privacy password. You need to select any one from here. Now you can see they are asking for the privacy password. So here I am going to enter the privacy password. Now I will show you how to change this one. After open this one, tap on the three dots on the top right side, then tap on settings, then tap on privacy password. Then here we need to enter our current privacy password. To change the privacy password, tap on change password. So here you can change it. Okay. So first we need to enter our old privacy password. So we can change the password here. If we want, this is for 6-digit password. If you want to change to a different password type, tap on this one. So from here you can select any password type. So here I am going to select the pattern, then draw the pattern, confirm the pattern. That's it. So go back. Again I am going to try to open this app lock option. You can see it is changed. So simply in this way you can change the privacy password in this device. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.